Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the glittering world of gold, specifically XAUUSD. As you can see, the bulls are in full control, and all eyes are on that magical $5,000 mark. Is it just a dream, or is it the next major milestone for gold? Let's break it down together. Right now, the market is buzzing with activity. We're seeing gold prices dance within a tight range, pushing up between $49.50 and $49.70. This upward momentum is really exciting, but it also means we need to be sharp and pay close attention to what's driving these moves. It's a dynamic situation, and every tick of the chart tells a story. Speaking of drivers, get your calendars ready. We have a major high-impact news event on the horizon. The USD Flash PMI data is scheduled for release at 7:45 p.m. This is a red folder event, meaning it has the potential to inject significant volatility into the market. A weaker than expected PM could send the dollar tumbling and gold soaring, so this is definitely one to watch. Fundamentally, the case for gold remains incredibly strong. Central banks around the world continue to add gold to their reserves, showing a clear lack of faith in fiat currencies. At the same time, ongoing geopolitical tensions are keeping safe haven demand high. Plus, with the US dollar showing signs of weakness, investors are naturally flocking to the security and historical stability of gold. It's the perfect storm for a bullish run. Now, let's look at the technicals. On the chart, we have some clear levels to keep an eye on. Resistance is currently sitting at $49.78, with the major psychological barrier right at $5,000. If we see a pullback, our key support level is down at $49.35. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is at 74, which indicates strong buying pressure, but it's also a heads up that the market is in overbought territory. This could signal a potential short-term correction before the next leg up. Furthermore, a quick look at the moving averages paints a very clear picture. From the short-term 5-day and 20-day averages to the long-term 50-day and 200-day averages, they are all screaming one thing: buy. This alignment across all time frames shows a powerful and unified uptrend, giving us even more confidence in the current bullish sentiment. So, what's our strategy? Given the strong uptrend and the fundamental backdrop, a buy the dips approach seems most prudent. We'll be looking for opportunities to enter the market on any pullbacks, particularly around that $49.35 support level. This allows us to join the trend at a better price point. As always, remember that trading involves risk, and this information is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. That's all for today's gold analysis. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next update. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.